Demi-Practical shot with a Taurus 8.56-38 special at 5 yards. Series 1. One shot on each target in 3 seconds. Stand by. Series 2. 2 shots on each target in 4 seconds. Stand by. Series 3. 3 shots on each target with the strong hand only in 8 seconds. Stand by. -0, -2. 5 yards. -2, -0. 7 yards. Draw and fire 1 shot on each target in 4 seconds. Stand by. Draw and fire 2 shots on each target in 5 seconds. Draw and fire 3 shots on each target in 6 seconds. Stand by. -0 and -0. It's amazing what the little bumpy things on top of the gun can do for you. 12 yards. 1 shot on each target in 5 seconds. Stand by. Two shots on each target in 6 seconds. Stand by. Three shots on each target in 7 seconds. Stand by. -1 and -1. -2 total for the 12-yard stage.